Welcome to Unit 8. And the title of this unit is
Monkey.
Monkey. Very good. Okay. So have you seen a monkey like very close?
Monkey?
Hmm?
No.
No, close, yeah. No, not yet. Okay, so that's not yet.
Yes.
Okay, you haven't experienced to have, like close contact with these monkeys. Okay, well, anyway, dear, we have here the words and phrases. Okay, please read the first one.
Disable.
Okay, one time.
Discipline.
Okay, so this is read as disabled.
Disable.
Fine, it's fine. Okay, next one is
Ahead.
ahead. Very good. Next one.
Blind.
Blind. Next.
Monotony.
Okay, one more time.
Monotony.
Okay, so this one is read as emotionally.
Emotionally.
Emotion. It comes from the word emotion.
Emotionally.
Correct. Good job. Try it again.
Emotionally.
Very good, darling. Well done. Okay, so that is emotionally. Next one.
Car accident.
Okay, car.
Car accident.
Okay, car accident.
Car accident.
Okay, well done. Next one.
Attached.
One more time.
Attached.
Okay, perfect. So you were able to sound the ED here as letter T. That is very good. So that is attached. Okay, next one.
Attached.
Well done. Next.
Induction.
Okay, education.
Education.
Okay, one more time. Education.
Education.
Okay, good job. Education. Okay, next.
Education.
Perfect.
Program.
Program.
College.
College.
Clever.
Okay, clever.
Oh, clever.
Okay, so clever. All right, next.
Clever. Select.
Okay, one more time.
Select.
Okay, so this is selected.
Selected.
Okay, tud.
Ted.
Okay, one more time.
Selected.
Perfect. Okay, and last one.
Training.
Okay, training.
Training.
Okay, very good. Thank you so much. Now, I would like to ask you, is there any words that you are not familiar with?
I don't understand emotionally.
Okay, emotionally. All right. So this word emotionally comes from the word emotion. Okay. First, can you tell me or the common emotion that a person has? Can you give me an example?
Emotion. I don't know what it means.
Okay, well, fine. All right. So when we say emotion is how you feel, that feeling. Okay. For example, I will say,
Okay.
I'm sad. Aha, very good.
Oh, sad.
Sad.
Exciting.
Excited. Exciting is
Excited.
excited. What else?
Worried.
Worried. Very good. Worried. What else?
Caring.
Again?
Caring.
Caring. Caring is
Caring.
caring is not really an emotion. It's more on action. Okay, or your adjective
Oh,
and as an attitude, like mad, pissed off. Okay, so those are emotions. Okay, angry. Okay.
yes, angry.
Oh yeah, so those are emotion. Now when I say, for example, um, she was so emotionally devastated when her mother left her alone. Okay? So when I say she was emotionally devastated, for example, she was emotionally devastated when their house was caught on fire. Okay? So in this sentence example, I said she was emotionally devastated. Okay? So when I say emotionally devastated, she is devastated, but there is a mixed emotion there. Very sad, really worried, anxious, angry. Okay, so there's a lot of mixed emotion with this person or with the subject. Okay,
Okay.
right, emotionally. Another one, when I say uh, Queenie is Queenie emotionally hugged her mother before she go to school, right?
Yes.
You're about to cry, full feeling there. You feel loved, so much love with your mom. That is really, there's a lot of emotion in your heart and in your face. Understand now?
Yes, I know that.
Very good. Okay, now since you said you already understand the meaning of the word emotionally, can you use that in a sentence? Let me see if you really understand.
Marshmallow was emotionally when I go to school.
Okay, good job. Nice choice. So that means marshmallow is very has a lot of emotions every time you are going to school. Good job, darling. Okay, next one.
Mm, um, car accident.
Car accident. Okay, now when we say car, I know you know what is this. Okay, car. It's car, of course. Um, okay, kind of transportation. Now, when we say accident, okay, it's just like, for example, you are driving in a wet highway, okay, and then suddenly your car bumped into another car, okay, or bumped into a tree.
Now,
Yes, okay. So car and car accident, still it is called as car accident. Okay, so either okay you bump into another car or a tree or the real railroad or whatever, as long as you had an accident, especially if you are driving or inside the car, so that is what we call car accident. Okay, now
okay.
what about the word attached?
Oh, I don't know.
No, okay. Now, when we say attach, for example, I will show you. I will show you an example. For example, I have here a scissor with me, okay, and I will attach, okay, this hair clip at the end of the scissor. Ta-da! And now already attached. Okay.
Well,
All right, attached. So that means it's connected.
Okay.
Okay, attach,
Mm,
connected. Okay, another one. Let's say I have here mobile. Okay, a mobile phone. Now I wanted to attach my earphone, so I will get an earphone and then I will attach it here so that I can use. Okay,
okay.
right. So that is what attach. Now, can you make a sentence using the word attach?
Mm, I attached my mouse
Okay, I attach my mouse to what?
to to use it.
Hmm? I attach.
To use it.
Okay, I attach my mouse to use it. Okay, so you better say I attach my mouse to where. You should always include something where you attach that thing. I attach my mouse, okay, to my computer, okay, right? To my
Oh yes.
computer so I can use it. All right?
I can use it.
Yes, use it. Okay, very good. Now, how about the word selected?
Selected. I don't know too.
Don't know too. Okay. Now, when we say selected, darling, for example, I will say, okay, I will show you some pens here. Okay. So I have few pens here, right? Oh, pencils, I mean. Okay. And I get this one, okay, instead of this three.
Oh,
So I could say I selected this orange and black pencils compared to the yellow and black ones. Okay, so that means
okay.
chosen. Okay, selected means chosen. For example, another sentence I would say, Queenie was selected to represent the school swimming competition. Do you know how to swim? All right.
Yes.
Okay, so that is my sentence. Now, can you make another sentence using the word selected?
Marshmallow selected.
Hmm.
Mm, a beef. Mm, to all of the meat.
Mm-hmm. Okay, marshmallow selected. Okay, again, marshmallow.
Marshmallow selected a beef to all of the meat.
Okay, so let me type it down. Marshmallow selected a beef. Okay, again, marshmallow
Mm,
selected a beef to all of
all of the meat.
meat. Oh, meat. Okay, you should say, darling, select fish over the meat. Okay, over the meat.
Okay.
All right. Okay, good. Well done. So that means, is there another word you don't understand here? The word ahead.
Ahead means go ahead.
Yes, let's go ahead. Or please close the door ahead of. Very good. What about cleaver?
Cleaver um means um when when all of the students
Hmm?
get um get 8 points, the one people get 10 points.
Mm-hmm. So that means that one person is Cleaver.
That means cleaver means means
Okay, so I will help you out, darling. When we say cleaver, that means brilliant.
oh
Okay,
yes, brilliant.
I would say is a very kid. Is very
Kid.
yes. Okay. And I heard just now you said one people. Okay, so that should be one person. All right?
Oh, one.
Okay,
Yes, right.
one person. All right. So here we have much more. Before we talk the end, we would like to um, you with okay, hold on. Some of questions that we have. Okay, see there.
Oh,
Okay. Right, so for today, you have three grammar lapses. Can you read the first one?
oh, grammar lapses. I attach my nose to use it.
Mm-hmm. Better.
Oh, mouse to use it. I attached my mouse to my computer so I can use it.
Very good. Next, you said Marsh.
I said marshmallow selected a beef to all of the meat.
Mhm.
Better said marshmallow selected fish over the meat.
Okay, very good. And another one, you said one people. Better say.
One person
Okay. Please read, darling, the new words that you have. Sorry, you have to stand.
emotionally attached,
Hmm?
selected,
And one more, your mispronounced words.
disabled, disabled,
Huh?
emotionally,
Mhm.
car accident,
Mhm.
education,
Mhm.
selected,
And selected. Okay.
and selected.
Yes. Okay. So here, thank you so much for class today. And I'm so happy to have you back again in class. So I'm going to see you again. Yes. I'm going to see you again on our next schedule.